Welcome back. We got a few things here to unmold, so let me come around the screen and get to it. I'm talking and not moving. What's my ride, girl? All right, so let's start with this because me and this mold be beefing, and I see why. I have ways around this, but that's probably the smoothest I've ever had one come out. That's crazy. It heard me talking crap. Okay, bet. We're working on our relationship. But yeah, it's a nice little glittery. Oh, excuse my nails. I got them done not even a week ago and they were already chipped. This is why I typically just do acrylics because I don't like gel on my nails, but that's another subject. I am genuinely in love with this. It looks kind of neonish. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Then we have a green one. I told you I'm doing like a glitter bomb collection. I don't even know if I could say that on here or anywhere because words mean things and people be, you know, whatever. Ooh. Okay, yeah. All right, I'm learning that using glitter means I'm gonna end up with more air bubbles than I'm used to. But it's still a very clean pull. I don't need to go over this because it's just like whatever. But yeah, it's nice green. I really like this. This looks really pretty. I'm not usually a green girl, and I just realized we got green and gold. Well, not gold, but whatever. And then this one was actually a request from someone at a market I was vending at over the weekend. They said they're coming back to purchase it, and even if they don't, we'll just put it on the table the next day after because everything must go. I dropped the ball because I didn't ask for a deposit, but yeah, I don't know if I've used this specific mold before. The other one tore. Maybe I have. I don't know. I think I might have used it once. Oh no. Aye. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so she wanted glitter or butterflies in the base. I don't know if you can see in the base here, and she didn't want anything in the top part, and obviously she wanted it in purple, so yeah, here we are. All right, so let me scooch you on back around so. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, and here we are. I'm really with these though, like, yeah, the color. This is low-key giving me Mardi Gras. Yeah, this is giving me Mardi Gras. Completely unrelated. If it wasn't for this order, I wouldn't have done purple at all. But I'm realizing a lot of people like purple. Anyways, that's all I got. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, listen to the podcast, watch all the videos, and just like everything else, whether you got hair on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unmolding. Bye!